Pick up this great vehicle, which is available today. This could be the one you've been searching for. Contact the dealer today and get behind the wheel today. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive and comes with a 1-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, remote keyless entry, 4-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, traction control, brake assist. Inside you'll find navigation system, heated steering wheel, heated front seats, security system, cruise control,